What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Athena says hi. Hi, Athena. Anyway, I partnered with a pretty awesome company. I've been looking for some running boards for my truck, and they hooked me up. So these are FAB Heavy Parts running boards for my F-250. So it's this big long box, and as you can tell, I have some puppy helpers today. So let's go ahead and unbox these. We'll move this stuff quick. These things are heavy duty, that's for sure. These are an off-road style, kind of like a rock slider type. And they are built solid. Check out that beautiful guy. So here they are. That's some quality finish right there. Those look really good. So we're going to do a quick little install video on these, and then we'll kind of put them to the test a little bit. But these things are beefy. And they have stuff for a bunch of other vehicles too, not just the F-250. So I'll include a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, so go ahead and click that and you've got a nice little discount. But let me, I believe the discount's 10% off. But I will finish unboxing these, and yeah, stand by. So much like any running board, they come with all the brackets and hardware and stuff, and it's all grade 8 black hardware. And tells you exactly what size wrenches and sockets you need. That's cool. So far, these are some freaking sweet running boards, and they packaged them well too. They got wood in there to keep them in. Okay, so I got the driver's side all put together. So as you'll see, all the brackets are on. This is for the driver's side. And if you can see it, we got shirts, which is fantastic. So these are your brackets. This piece, you bolt to that piece. This piece bolts to the tube step, and this bracket bolts like this up underneath your inner rocker. My truck, so these will bolt to studs. My truck, several of the studs were actually cut off, and they drilled holes where those are at. So, and I'll show you that. So let's go ahead and get outside, and we'll work on some of the install. I also have some nice nice new hats too on the store, so make sure and check those out too. But it's like 15 degrees outside, something like that. It's cold, but it's still winter here in Iowa, so let's get on out there. So the tripod I started using is a really nice Bosch tripod that's super adjustable, and yeah, super versatile. So we are to the truck, and so that's where a bunch of the studs are supposed to be located, but they've been cut and drilled out, so we don't have those studs that you guys really would. So I'll show you what we do. Alright, so I got you on the smaller tripod, and I just went and grabbed some 3/8 16 black oxide hardware for this. Now, if you when you have the studs, you'll mount it right up to the studs, and it's super easy because you'll just use the hardware that came with the side steps, and every car is a little different, so you might have on yours, your instructions might say to use, studs, or you might have an area where you have to use bolts, like what I'm doing. So what I like to do is you could install the brackets first, and then put the steps on. But what I do is I get this first bolt hole in line, set the back down, and I'll get this first nut and washer on. Now I can grab another one of my bolts and come down here and get this put on. This hole's a little tight, so you can basically screw it in. And when you do that, you line it up with the studs on the back side. Now, you don't want to tighten these bolts up until the end, because you can adjust front and back and up and down a little bit. I test fit this once, and I adjusted them back all the way because I want to be able to use a step to get up on to the up onto my topper. So now we'll go through and we'll put the rest of these bolts in there. So these steps are, like I said before, they're FAB Heavy Works, or FAB Heavy Parts, and they really designed a nice quality step. FAB Heavy Parts did sponsor this video for me. And I'll include a link to these in the description. And they're right at about $360, I believe. You know, for what you're getting in a side step. It also offers protection. These are really good. Really good piece of equipment. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and tighten these down. Alright, now I'm going to get underneath and do the ones down there. So one thing I love about the steps is it just has a much more aggressive look to it. You know, besides function, it's just good looking. Now if you go to the other side that doesn't have one, it's just boring. And this truck isn't even that high, to be 100% truthful to you, but it just looks good. And I have this one set back a little bit so I can get up on top of the topper, because I store stuff up there. And I got stickers too coming. My wife is relatively short, and frankly I kind of am too. I'm only 5'9". My wife is 4'10" or something like that, and it's hard for her to get into this truck, even though it's, you know, it's not super high, but it's hard, especially compared to her Jag that, you know, doesn't sit that high. Whereas this, you know, it's quite a bit off the ground, so it makes it way easier to get in. You're not fighting to get in. You know, you don't fall to get out. So it's, you know, I really like them on there. And was a fire sprinkler service truck. Makes it way easier to get up top too. And with the way those are built, they're just nice, strong, and sturdy, so they're not gonna fall and break off or anything like that. And the powder coating that's on there is super strong. It's very thick and seems very durable. And this center step, I guess I'll change the camera back over here, because that center step allows you to get up top if you have a roof rack or anything, which I don't have a roof rack, but maybe someday, who knows. So like I said, these are FAB Heavy Parts Nerf bars is what I'll call them. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for you. Check them out. They have Nerf bars for a ton of different vehicles. They're all around a great option for you guys. Installation's a breeze. Even with some of my missing studs, it's still super easy. So definitely check them out. But yeah, like I said, these Nerf bars, they're FAB Heavy Parts. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, share us, and let's keep making some content. I have more videos on the Monte Carlo come up. That will be coming home shortly, and I actually have something to show you guys for that. Look at that. It's a big quarter panel. That box is seriously like 7 foot long. It's crazy. It's sat in my office at work for a while. Whoop. So yeah, make sure, follow us along, hit that bell, get notifications from us. It means the world to me, and please, by all means, check out our merch store. I'll be adding stuff all the time, so we're going to try to keep growing that. I'm also trying to find some graphic designers to help me with that. I can't draw worth a crap, so I need all the help I can get there. But anyway, yeah, like, subscribe, share us, and make sure and check out FAB Heavy Parts. They got some killer stuff out there. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Deuces.